Trying to think. I heard they were promising us something.
Happy anniversary to you, my dear. Happy anniversary. Where about there? Anniversary to you, my dear. Happy. You know what? No way.
Good morning, good afternoon, guys, and welcome to the vlog. The time is about after 2 this time, and we're starting the vlog very late. Hi, Shan. She's gonna iron. What? Yes. Oh, it's 3:19. My bad. Anyways, Shani just got another gift from her nephew.
Same so.
Thank you. Say thanks. Say thanks.
What me fingerprint them there,
Say
Pandy?
thanks. I don't know. Maybe it's the other finger.
I did. Try both.
Anyways, shut up. Anyways, say hi. Say thanks. Say thanks.
Thank you, nephew, my favorite nephew.
Delana going to kill you.
Listen, I'm wearing this. I don't know if I'll make it tomorrow. Sure, y'all.
This is what y'all sitting and watch.
Y'all. You never know when you'll die. We're it from now. They can cost
Why make you sit and
crap.
broke?
Bro.
Not true, I got money. Ain't not gonna win.
Yes, if I ever put it on my neck for one day.
She extras. No, fix your picture.
Oh, nephew, could you put it on? It ain't working.
Yes, ma'am. You got on your bling, bling, bling. Let's see the bling. Let's see the bling. Ooh, earrings in the chain. The extra.
I'm going out. Who's coming? The car is ready.
She not going nowhere.
Y'all.
That's how we get nowhere, yeah? Hey guys, so I don't have a lot of content, a lot of vlog content. Today I basically did not do much. I went to church, and then in the middle of church I had to do what's this called, like children church. So I left and did children church. Then I got home, I went to sleep, I got up, ate some food, and then I've just been lazy for the whole day because I don't know, I'm tired. I just feel tired, so I didn't do much today, so I didn't vlog a lot today. So I decided to sing a song for you guys. So I got my little antler's ears, so we're gonna sing a song for you guys today. Alright guys, so I'll be singing for you a famous Jamaican kind of Christmas song that was remade by a Jamaican some years ago. Well, a lot of years ago. So it's called Breadfruit Roasting on an Open Fire. One of my favorites. So let's go. Breadfruit roasting on an open fire, mongrels nipping at your toes, dancehall songs being sung by a choir, and all of we dress up in bashment clothes. Everybody knows when gonga cook and Sarah flows. You don't know, I said this season bright. Gal and boy with them starlight aglow, them now go want to sleep tonight. Them know I said gyrine, they on the way, with the music rocking through the day. And now the chicken them I try to spy, to see is which one of them I go fry. And so I want to big up everyone, all kids from 1 to 92. I'll do the money done. Have a whole heap of fun. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas. Hey guys, so yes, that was my cover of Merry Christmas, the Jamaican version. You know, I'm not sure who actually sang that version. Some person say it's Yellow Man, but then when I search for it, the version of Yellow Man is slightly different, so I don't know. I'm not too sure of the original singer. However, I love this song. My family and I look forward to hearing this song like every December. So yeah, I love this song. If you do know who actually sings this original version of the Jamaican Merry Christmas song, please link that down below. Yes guys, I finally got my tripod so I can be hands-free sometimes. Yeah, so I can be hands-free. I don't have to hold it anymore, so I can do more sit-down vlogs, sit-downs with you guys. I'm excited for Tuesday because my hair, which is so natural, like you guys can see that, right? Look at that. It has gone natural, so I'm really excited for my hair to be processed. I'm gonna get it relaxed on Tuesday. Out for the, I think it's the 5th, 6th, and 7th. So the ones for the 5th, the person for the 5th will be right here. Thanks for coming on my video. The person for the 6th and the person for the 7th. Thank you guys for commenting on my video. Guys, if you want a shout out, you gotta be early. Comment down below. I like daily vlogging. It's fun. It's a lot of pressure, trust me, because even right now, like today, when I didn't have much to do, I would probably not vlog. However, because I want to meet my 31-day Vlogmas target, I get up and I try to do something. So yeah, and I guess that's what Vlogmas is about. You try to do something every day, doesn't matter what it is. You try to get something in every day. So yes guys, I love you guys. I'm gonna get ready for work. My sister already ironed for me, so I need to pack my bag and get my things together. Need to get myself together. So I will see you guys tomorrow when it will be day 9 of Vlogmas, or even when my parents get home, because they're not yet back home. So if they get back home before I fall asleep, then see me popping champagne with them. I'll see you guys. If they do come home before I sleep, I'll see you guys then. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. Stay blessed. Bye. Happy anniversary to you and you. Happy anniversary, my dears. So I'm gonna tell me that. Oh, fiance. Me sing too now, not even clap me.
They done, they waiting done. Yay!
Sing small. So what you Papa did it?
Happy anniversary. You let me sing?
Alright.